Hi everybody, I hope everybody's having a good day so far. I am 669 days on Carnivore, just doing an update. I just got done in the doctor's office and they gave me a bunch of paperwork for me to go and have some blood work done. I had blood work done at the beginning of my carnivore journey 2 years ago almost, and so I'm having it done again. And while I was in the office, she did my physical, listened to my heart, told me that she didn't hear a heart murmur. And I've had a heart murmur my whole entire life. So one of the places I'm going to be going to is an imaging and getting a echocardiogram and seeing if my heart murmur is gone or if she didn't hear it. But that's something that's amazing. And if that's because of the diet, then that's really amazing. But I'm feeling great. I'm eating right. I have no brain fog. My inflammation in my joints is gone. The best I've ever felt in my life. Anyways, I hope everyone's doing well, and thank you for listening, and I hope everybody has a blessed day.